Yo, what's going on everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. And today we are in Blackpool, baby. Sunny Blackpool. At least I hope it will be in the next hour or so. This is awkward, literally everyone's staring at me. But anyway, today we are in Blackpool. We're at the tower to begin with. We are doing sort of like a mini sort of trip really, because we're doing the tower first, and then moving on to the Sea Life Aquarium, and then over to Swords, the wax museum. So looking forward to today, getting basically three attractions done all at once. Ruin, he's back.
Yeah, I'm back. It's been a while. What was it, April? Beginning of April, I was last on the channel. Seems like a lot longer ago. But like Ryan said, the sun is just about to poke out. He said by about 1 o'clock, full sunshine. But we're going indoors for the next two attractions, so it won't really matter. But yeah, looking forward to it. Well, a mini special. Heading up there first, and then
All the way up there at the top of the tower.
all I'm here for is Ryan's reactions up at the top of there. As if you don't know, he is scared of heights. So
And it is 158 metres all the way up to the top. So I was hoping it wasn't going to be too windy today. I mean, at the bottom, it doesn't feel too bad. There's a bit of a breeze. However, when you get up to the top, sometimes it can be a completely different story. So I'm hoping it's not going to be that windy, but we'll see. Maze, you are here as well today.
Yep, right, so I'm also here today at the tower doing the free vlogs. So let's hope that the sun does come out, because I am all lotioned up today to get a tan. So that's what we're hoping for. So yeah, it's been a while since I've been up the tower, so can't wait to get back up. There's always lots of lovely views right at the top of that tower. So I will send you back over to Mist.
So, we better get a move on, because it is gone 12 now, and we've got just under 4 hours basically to get 3 attractions done. So I'm going to show everything from the tower today, basically the views up at the top as well, so it'll be good to see that. Me and Maze did actually come to the tower in October, so it's not been too long since we have been up to the tower. However, it is the first vlog of all of the 3 attractions we're doing today, so that'll be good. Looking forward to vlogging them all today.
anyway, you best go, because we booked it for 11 and it's now 25 past 12.
Yeah, let's actually see if we can get in, so we'll see you when we get inside. Starting off here at the bottom of the tower, we've got the comedy carpet, which has actually been here a while now, but is still sort of relatively new. We've got all the quotes. It's basically Blackpool's version of the Hollywood Walk of Fame. And I'll show you the views from it at the top, because obviously you can see it's all at the top and you get some great views. But yeah, all these different quotes and stuff on the bottom here. So let's head up to the tower. Coming into the queue now then, welcome to the Blackpool Tower Eye. Nice photo opportunity there. Gonna head straight through. So we're just about to head into the 4D cinema experience, which is as part of the Tower Eye. Got our 4D glasses. Obviously we can't take you inside and film in there, even though there probably wouldn't even be much point if we could, with it being in 4D. So we're going to head through to the cinema now and get the video watched, and then we'll go right to the top of the tower. Here we are now going into the lift. What will take us up to the top of the tower.
Hello, explorers! Are you ready for our journey to the Blackpool Tower Eye? We hope you enjoyed the 4D cinema. Hold on tight as we blast off to a height of 380 feet in just 69 seconds, passing through 2,593 tons of metal. That's the weight of around 21 million juggling balls. Are you ready to face your fears? Unfamous glass sky is 5 centimeters thick, triple laminated glass, and can hold the weight of 5 tons. If the sun is shining, explore our outer levels. That will take you to a height of 412 feet. Please take extra care, the steps may be slippy. Please do not use smoky sticks or electrical weights on any of the levels. If you have any questions during your visit, just find one of the team members who will be able to and show you the way back down via our 6,000 steps. Only joking.
Other lovers that have come before. So we have just come out of the 4D cinema, and if you've been in it before, you probably know that's why we're singing that song. Definitely a nice little film, that, isn't it? Before you go up to the tower.
Yeah.
Good. Adds to the experience as well. Makes it more worth coming.
Yeah, I absolutely do love that 4D experience.
Very immersive.
Because last
full
time
of
I come
effects.
Last time I come here, I added that song into my playlist after that. So
Yeah, he actually did as well. He's like joking. But yeah, actually, what's changed since October is they've actually decorated it up here. So as you can see, this backdrop here, and then as well, I'll show you some. Like there's all these flowers and stuff around, literally the whole tower. So we'll show you some of the views up here and have a walk around. At the front of the glass bit now, as you can see, these two lethal blokes are just sat there chilling out. I'm gonna have to try and get on here, but I don't know if I will. What do you think, Maze?
I think you definitely need to get on the glass. It's what the whole experience is for. At first, it does look very like, oh my god, like look at that drop. And just on a bit of glass. But obviously,
That's definitely making me feel a
obviously
lot better.
Obviously,
about it.
it's very safe. I remember one time didn't we come up here and there was a bit broken, wasn't there?
There was a crack in it once.
But there's no cracks in it today, so we should be alright, I think. So we get a lovely view there of the full comedy carpet. Nice to see a nice it says on there. It's about just like that. Some of that stuff. Probably about all I can make out. A lot of the other is quite small. But yeah, lovely view of the comedy carpet there from the top of the tower.
It looks lovely from here, doesn't it?
does.
It's just a shame that Ryan's missing out on the comedy carpet from here.
He's just all the way over there. Obviously not stood on the glass, as you can see.
That's my management.
But he's missing the view from...
He's missing the lovely view of the comedy carpet over there.
I'll just stay here to what I can, basically.
Yeah. Hold on for his life back there.
Just making our way then to the second floor of the tower. This is where you get some lovely views out here.
And you get the breeze?
And you get the breeze. But to be fair, it's not actually that bad today. Like, normally I'd have to sit down because it's just that windy, but not actually too bad. And we're in an absolutely lovely sun trap in the hot sun.
Oh, we are.
Underneath
There
the
is
hot sun.
Feeling like a someone. Are these vlogs just turning into like karaoke or something now? But yeah, I'm going to get some views from the top for you all, and then we'll get up onto the other level.
The views from up here are absolutely beautiful. Get a lovely view of the beach and the sea.
Now we're at the next level, 401 feet now. So we'll get some shots from this level. How are we feeling? I think we got one more.
Yeah, we're fine. Ryan's
They're
not.
fine, but I'm not.
Well, actually, he says that, but this man lay on the glass.
Yes.
He did lay on the glass.
That's
but
definitely some
Deserved.
sort of improvement.
he didn't look down.
Yeah. Didn't look down, but that is definitely an improvement from last time. Well, that extra few feet has definitely made a difference. It's really windy now up here. There we go, let's get some clips all the way around from this level. And if you didn't know, we've got all these telescopes on each level.
Have a look through here and see nothing because I haven't put any money in it.
Yeah, that would help, Maze, if you put some in here.
Well, I don't have a pound coin, so I'll just have to look like everybody else from this lovely viewpoint here.
Moving on up to the next level. I think this is the last level now. The highest point you can get. So we'll get some views up here. Here we are now, the highest point we can get to at 412 feet. Let's get a clip from here. Gorgeous views. You can see the pleasure beach all the way back there. In the distance, there's the pier. So there is an actual spiral staircase there, which you can not get up to, or ourselves anyway. But yeah, I don't know if that's ever been open, or if that's just for strict maintenance, but you two are a bit gutted you can't get up there, aren't you? I don't know why I've got my shades on because the sun's not even in my eyes, but it's very brass up here now, isn't it?
The wind's picking
very
up
windy.
But like I say, it would have been lovely if we could have got up that spiral staircase.
I'm pretty sure you could at one point, whether it closed off, I don't know, but yeah, you can't get up there anyway now.
We know one person who's very pleased that we can't get up there.
Yeah, as you can see, it's a massive smile on my face. Can't get up there. Yeah. I'll just show you some of these decorations up here with all the plants and the bunting. Done a really good job. Come across, lads, here they are.
Hey there.
Absolutely.
Hang on, no, you gotta go back and do a walk.
Right.
Oh, yes.
Nice one. So that was absolutely easy. So now it's time for Miss Vlogs to have a go, I think.
Here come the men with the shades. Miss Vlogs, everybody in the room. Oh, taking off the shades now.
Whipping off the shades.
Whipping off the shades.
A bunch of cool dudes, these two are.
Now they're back on.
Nice one.
Back on.
How lovely.
Waiting for the lift now to take us back down to a ground level. There is a bar as well around the corner if you need a stiff drink like I do right now. if you want to obviously soak up the views and enjoy a drink, that's just around the corner. So we'll head down and we'll see you basically at the bottom. I'll record the trip down as well.
Welcome back. We hope you enjoyed your time here at the Blackpool Tower. Did you make it onto the glass skywalk? We're now heading back to level 6, where you'll exit into our gift shop. If you have an annual pass, remember to show it at checkout for your 20% discount. If you have any questions, please see our retail team. We'll be happy to help. Why not upgrade your ticket to include our Dino Golf, 9 holes of prehistoric fun. Also, enter the world of virtual reality. Ride our Blackpool Tower VR roller coaster. Just at the exit you can go dancing. Here at the Blackpool Tower, we appreciate all feedback. If you can spare a few minutes, our customer feedback point is located just outside the exit. Why not tell us about a team member who made your day? Alternatively, visit TripAdvisor and tell us about your visit. Once again, we hope you enjoy your time here at the Blackpool Tower Eye. Have a wonderful day.
We all made it into the gift shop now. Coming around. Got all your resins on this side. And then coming around here, you got your mugs and bottles. And then some dungeon merch on here. So that is all from the tower today. Always nice to get back up there and basically see the lovely views, see what's changed. Normally there wouldn't be much, but actually it was fully decorated, so definitely that has changed since I last went up there. As you can see, Maze has got ruined shades on.
That is true. I did have the sun in my eyes, could not see. I couldn't find my shades this morning, so I'm just going to have to make do with these ones for now. So yeah, like I say, the tower, it was very good to get back up there, see all the views, and yeah, like I say, some nice decorations this time. But yeah, it always looks lovely from up there and the beach and all that sort of stuff, doesn't it? Doesn't it, Mist?
It does. Ruin, what did you think of the tower?
Just get those specs on. Yeah, actually, it was really good. To be fair, was my first time up in Blackpool Tower.
Well, he's only just told us that now.
So yeah, like the first time we did go up like to like the bar bit ages and ages ago, but yeah, this is my first time up at the top. It was really good to get up there. The highlight was Ryan on the glass. So as you'll see on the thumbnail, we all had a little bit of a on the glass, and to get on there, Ryan actually was holding my leg. Holding my leg to try and get onto the glass. So yeah,
You'll never experience anything like that unless you took me up there, to be fair.
no, it was just brilliant. But yeah, really enjoyed it. So I'll pass you back to these two alpha males.
Cheers, Ruin. Now we're going to head over that way to the sea life, and then Madden Tussauds straight after that. So if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.